Gentlemen, 30 years ago during the last war we built a powerful combat robot. It fought bravely, but was left behind and forgotten on the battlefield.
That robot is still out there, rusted and lost. I strongly suggest we launch a search and recovery mission immediately.
Once we recover the original, we will study its design and build a far more sophisticated and powerful version.
Confirmation on the target signature. Locking on now. Awaiting command.
Drone feed shows hostile movement on the 3rd level. Redirect assets immediately.
Confirmation on the target signature. Locking on now. Awaiting command. Scanning Sector 7. Anomaly detected.
We found it! Sentinel-001 confirmed. We found it! Sentinel-01 confirmed.
Secure the stabilization clamps on the lower torso. We need to expedite extraction before the weather turns. Stabilize the feed. That's it. Sentinel-01 confirmed. The rust is extensive. Send the coordinates to the extraction team. Tell them to move fast.
We have lateral sway. Adjust thrusters. Vector 390. Stabilize the ascent. Secure the primary chains. Move it! Ratcheting the starboard side now. Almost there. Good. Check the rear straps immediately.
Start the diagnostic sequence on the primary actuators. We need a full assessment of the power linkage before we attempt reactivation. Ensure the articulation joints on the left arm meet spec. We need Sentinel-001 fully operational by 0800. Yes, Commander. Torso is almost clean. Moving to the arm. Negative. Focus on the hydraulics near the neck joint first. Calibrate the primary servo on Sentinel-01.
Acknowledged, Doctor. Running diagnostics now. Movements are nominal.